This video is to show you guys how to submit your work for quizzes and tests. So if you go over here to your course outline, I just picked this divisibility test, and you can see it's got three different things that say quiz, quiz, quiz. And so if you click on it, you'll go through and do your instruction, the activity review, and when you get to your assessment and start it, as you're working through your quiz, you'll be writing down your work for each problem. So, for example, for number one, you would have a piece of paper and you could write down your work for number one, for number two, number three, and all the way through number eight. And then after that, it will let you also do a part two of the quiz. So, this is another part of your quiz that you'll have to also show your work for. And so this part right here is a written response. So after you solve the problem, you will type it in. And again, you'll also show your work on a sheet of paper. And then again on this as well. And then after you do that, you will submit it. It may not let me submit it as a teacher. Let's see. All right, so it will let me submit. Of course, I got a 0 because I didn't actually put anything in there. So make sure you fill that out, and then you'll get to this part, and here is where you will submit your work. So it says Dropbox, and it says submit the divisibilities test quiz, show your work. So you'll click that, and then it's not going to let me upload anything, but it would show where you can upload a picture or some type of document showing that you worked out each problem. There are other ways to do this besides writing it on a separate sheet of notebook paper. If you go back to this right here and you click print, you can also, again, click print just this page. And then instead of actually, well, you can either print and show your work that way, or instead of actually printing, you can save it as a PDF. And so if you save it as a PDF, then you can also use something called Small PDF. And this is explained on our message board. If you go to our message board and you click submitting math work, and then you click right here using Small PDF to show your work on a computer or a tablet, it will show you exactly how you can save this page again as a PDF. And then you can, so here we go, save it as a PDF, and it shows you all the questions. And then after you save it, it will save it as the quiz test, or the test or quiz name. And then after you save it, you can go through this website called Small PDF, and it will let you edit the PDF to where you can show your work on your computer or on your tablet if you have a tablet. It will only let you do this one time a day, so just make sure that if you're going to do it, you're only taking one quiz or one test a day for it. And then other than that, you'll have to write out your work or again print off this quiz and show your work that way as well.